Alright, so this is number 5 for the homework for tonight. And you're missing a z here. There's no z term. Whenever that happens, you can just write it as plus 0z, just as a placeholder. So that you can see a z value there. Obviously, 0 times whatever z is just 0. So you're not changing the equation at all. Alright, so in this problem, it's going to be easiest to eliminate your y's. I would pair up 1 and 2, and then 2 and 3. So first, let's take care of 1 and 2 and get our new equation. So 2x minus y plus z equals negative 4. And then equation 2 is 3x plus y minus 2z equals 0. Add those together. It's going to give us 5x, 0, y's are gone, minus z, 1z minus 2z is going to give you negative 1z, and negative 4 and 0, negative 4. And that gives us equation 4. Next up, we'll pair up 2 and 3. So equation 2, we have 3x plus y minus 2z equals 0. And then 3x minus y plus 0z, you can write that there, equals negative 4. So 3x and 3x is 6x, y minus y is 0. Negative 2z plus 0z is just a minus 2z equals negative 4. And that's equation 5. So our first goal is accomplished. We got rid of the y's. Now we're down to two variables, x and z, x and z. Second goal is to get rid of another variable. So put equation 4 and equation 5 together to make a new system. So I have 5x minus z equals negative 4. 6x minus 2z equals negative 4 as well. I think your easiest option here to eliminate would be the z's. You have minus 1z minus 2z. You can multiply this one by negative 2 and get a positive 2z. So again, we're going to multiply the first equation by negative 2 to get negative 10z plus 2z. Sorry, x. Make that an x right there. Equals positive 8 because you multiplied by negative 2. And then the second one stayed the same, 6x minus 2z equals negative 4. We add those together, negative 10x plus 6x is negative 4x. The z's are gone, equals 8 minus 4 is 4. Divide both sides by negative 4. And we get x equals negative 1. Yeah, that was an x up there. So, hardest part of the problem's over. We got our first variable, x equals negative 1. Let's figure out z, going back to our system with just two variables here, x and z's. So take x equals negative 1. I'm just going to put it in the second equation. So 6 times negative 1 minus 2z equals negative 4. So we get negative 6 minus 2z equals negative 4. Negative 2z equals 2. Add the 6 to both sides. Divide by negative 2. I get z equals negative 1. So we got x, we have z, we just need to get y. You can put this into any of the originals. I think your easiest option here would be to put it into the third equation here, because all you need is x. You have 0z. There was no z in that original. So again, equation 3, the original is 3x minus y equals negative 4. We know that x is negative 1, so let's put x in, negative 1 in for x right there. 3 times negative 1 minus y equals negative 4. So negative 3 minus y equals negative 4. Negative y equals negative 1, which means y is positive 1. Whoops. And there's our three variables. List them in order. -1, 1, -1. And that's it for number 5.